Well, I had to show you what Mom got out of the shower to find. Looks like Big Brother tried to help Sister eat lunch. What do you got down there? A partially empty food bucket. And look at the baby food in front of me. Leah, look up here, Mommy. Hi, gorgeous. Say, Mama got my food open, and she put it on the cabinet and realized it was early. Hey, so I jumped in the shower to take a quick shower, and Lucas decided Sister needed to eat. So he got her a spoon. Where's your spoon? He got her a spoon, and he gave her her container of baby food. And he gave it to her. So there's baby food on the floor. There's baby food all the way around her seat. And look at the front of her. Go back. Look. Say, I got baby food everywhere. Yes, I do. I'm covered in turkey vegetable dinner. So now it's time for cleanup. And I just thought you'd like